Two smart doorbells, two different strengths. Which one fits your home best? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Tapo D225 Video Doorbell and the Aqara G410 Video Doorbell to see which one offers better smart home security. From video quality to smart features and performance, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Tapo D225 Video Doorbell features a compact, modern design with weather-resistant housing and flexible installation options, battery or wired, depending on setup, focusing on easy DIY, front door mounting, and practical durability. The Aqara G410 Video Doorbell comes with a more premium, minimalist Aqara design built for smart home ecosystems, offering a solid, compact body optimized for long-term wired or hybrid installation and seamless indoor hub integration. The Tapo D225 Video Doorbell delivers high-resolution 2K class video with a wide viewing angle designed for head-to-toe visibility, making it easier to capture both visitors and packages at the doorstep. The Aqara G410 Video Doorbell also provides 2K class clarity with a more optimized framing approach, focusing on face-level detail and accurate detection performance within smart home automation setups. The Tapo D225 Video Doorbell includes AI motion detection, person alerts, customizable activity zones, two-way audio, and night vision, offering strong standalone security through the Tapo app. The Aqara G410 Video Doorbell focuses on advanced smart home automation with AI detection, event-based triggers, and deep integration with the Aqara ecosystem and Apple HomeKit, making it stronger for connected smart routines. The Tapo D225 Video Doorbell supports flexible installation with rechargeable battery operation and optional wired power for continuous charging. The Aqara G410 Video Doorbell is typically designed for wired or hybrid operation, depending on region and setup, ensuring more stable, always-on performance when integrated with a chime or hub system. The Tapo D225 Video Doorbell is priced around $90 to $100 and was launched in 2024 as part of TP-Link's newer Tapo lineup. The Aqara G410 Video Doorbell is priced around $120 to $130 and was launched in 2025 as Aqara's newer generation smart doorbell with an upgraded hub and AI features. The Tapo D225 Video Doorbell is ideal for users who want an affordable, easy-to-use video doorbell with strong core AI features and flexible installation. The Aqara G410 Video Doorbell is best suited for users who are invested in smart home ecosystems and want deeper automation, stronger integration, and more advanced scene control. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.